Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to burn the stick like a candle.
Where are we?
We're camping.
We're camping. And what did we just see? What kind of animal did we see?
One deer.
Yep.
And one dead deer.
Oh yeah.
We would ride over.
Yeah.
And we got Bean.
But we saw a live deer. Hi, Bean. Hi, Bean. Oh, she says hi. How are you? So, and we saw what else? What did we see in the water?
Turtles. And I only saw one baby turtle on a log.
Which river are we by? Mississippi. Mississippi. Rylan's lighting off sparklers. Yay! Happy 4th of July. Spin it. Go like this. Twirl it. Careful though, not too close. Keep it away from you. Hold it out. Not by your face. Whoa, it's almost. Oh! Yours is done. Let's see the girls. Here, Rylan, just throw yours over here on the cement. Is that fun? Oh, it went out. Guess what? Rylan found something.
We found a turtle.
Show us.
It's over there in Grandpa's house.
Grandpa and you found him?
Yeah.
There he is. I think we're scaring him.
Yeah, I hope he doesn't bite us.
He won't bite.
No.
It's okay, turtle.
It's okay.
We're gonna hurt you. We're just looking at you. We're curious. Sticking his head up. Go, tree, go.
Why is he going? Why is he like? There you go.
Oh, he likes trees. You named him good. Do you want to touch him? Just touch him on the back of his shell. If you don't go by his head, then he won't be able to get you. There you go.
What noise was that?
He made a noise?
Yeah.
Do it again. I don't hear anything. Maybe it was something else.
Oh, I heard it again.
You did? No.
It's a turtle. You can touch it.
Okay, so that was a turtle. That was the first turtle we've seen in the grass since we've been here.
No, for a long time we saw like a turtle.
Wait, on the logs in the water, but this is the first one on the grass.